That's me, no. Guess what? My mom told me to tell you guys not to listen to Tracy. She's talking smack. She's talking nonsense. She's not making any sense at all. She's just saying stuff that the beer's making her say, and none of it's true. It's not. That's what my mom says it's not true. So, guess what? Vegas bit my mom. He did. He got mad at her because she tried to make him stop chewing on the new mattress that my mom brought home. Well, it's not really new. My mom got it out of the toy hauler. She brought it inside so that she could sleep downstairs with Vegas. And she put it on the floor, and he got all excited, and he was jumping on it, and she told him no, and he put it in the mattress in his mouth, and he was tugging on it, and tugging on it, and tugging on it, trying to rip it. He was trying to take a big old bite out of it. And my mom told him no, and then she grabbed his collar. You don't grab Vegas's collar. He doesn't like that. He doesn't like no one touching his collar. And he bit her. He did. He put a tooth mark all the way down her arm. She got mad. She put him in timeout. She put him in my timeout spot. Vegas didn't have a timeout spot, so he got a timeout today. So he was bad, and Mom says that he needs to go sent away. So we're going to put him on a ship, and we're going to sail him to the south. Yep. So be looking out for him down there, because he's coming your way. So anyways, my mom just said, don't listen to Tracy. And so I wanted to make sure that I told you guys. So I gotta go bed now. Night night.